Business profile? Personal profile? Which do you choose? Hi, I'm Melanie of Functional Media, and a question I often get is, should I use my personal profile? Should I create a business profile? What to do? I've heard that algorithms might favor a personal profile is better, but I feel like I should have a business profile. What to do? Alright, so let me explain. I like to say you should have both. And just a second, hear me out, I'll explain. So you should always have a business account, especially for Instagram. That way you can track your analytics. And if you are not tracking your analytics, you cannot see what's working and what's not. And you need to see what types of posts do well specifically for you so that you can create more of that content, more of that type of content that your audience loves. And no, you cannot just track the number of likes you get as tracking your analytics on a personal profile. You get to see way more on your business account. You get to see how many saves you have, you get to see how many people went to your profile, how many people followed you off of one post. So it's very important. Keep track of your analytics, and you can't do that unless you have a business account. However, here's the caveat. Your profile name, your Instagram name, can be your personal name. In fact, it can be whatever you want. It could be your business name or your personal name. However, I do recommend keeping it a little bit more personal so that when you're interacting, it doesn't seem as weird as if it's coming from a business, right? Like, it's a little bit more personal, and people are more likely to click back to follow through to your profile. For example, if someone's been interacting with my account, my personal account, I always, if it's a person who sounds more like it just a name, or I'll almost always go back to their account to see who they are, like what are they about. If it's a business account, I rarely do. So that's something that you can think about is, if it's basically just you, if you're a solo practitioner, or even if you have a really small team where you're kind of the base and the name of the company, go ahead, use your name. It works a lot better for interaction. And last thing on that, for my clients who do decide to use their name rather than their clinic name or profile, they usually tend to do a lot better because, again, it seems more personal, and social media is a place to connect with rather than as a place to do business with. Even though you can do business on social media, it's not the first and foremost goal of it. So, my advice, ultimately, have a business account, but with a personal name. To check out more tips and tricks like this, follow me on my Instagram, like my Facebook page, and if you want a massive resource and bank full of tools for you, head to my Pinterest profile.